Okay, this problem is a little bit different because you can see that we have to combine like terms. We have a negative 4x on the left and we have a positive 7x on the right, and we need to combine them. So to do that, we need to move one of the x's, one of those terms, to the other side. Easiest thing to do is just add 4x in this case, because then we'll deal with positive numbers instead of negative. So when we add 4x, we end up getting 11x equals 99. This becomes a one-step equation where we divide both sides by 11. This will cancel, leaving you with x equals 9. All right, in this problem, you need to get the x's on the same side again, so you're just going to highlight. You're going to look for where are the x's and what would be easiest. It would be easiest just to subtract this x and cancel it, and you'll get 6x minus x, which is actually 1x, and you get 5x equals 60. Then you just have a one step, you divide both sides by 5, and you get x alone, which is 12. Okay, in the next problem, see, it's a little bit more challenging. You still have x's on both sides, and you have to decide, where do I want to get rid of, what do I want to get rid of? So I'm going to get rid of this 2x so that negative 72 can be alone. So if I add 2x to both sides, these cancel, and I'm left with negative 6x equals negative 72. It's important you bring down that negative sign. Divide by negative 6 on both sides, and you're left with positive, because the negatives cancel, 12, positive 12. All right, I'm going to skip number 4 and move down to number 5, because you're going to have to distribute first. So you draw the arrows to both terms on both sides of the equation. This is a little unique. You haven't seen one like this, but shouldn't be a problem. You're going to multiply 7 times x and get 7x, and 7 times negative 2 and get negative 14, and you're done with that side of the equation. And then you're going to distribute on the other side. You're going to multiply 4 times x is 4x plus 16 when you multiply 4 times 4. Now you have a problem like you have for 1, 2, and 3, where you have to bring the x's to the same side. So in this case, you're going to basically take the 4x and subtract it on both sides, and you're left with 3x minus 14 equals 16. Now you're going to have to get rid of the 14 by adding 14 to both sides, and you get 30 equals 3x, and when you divide both sides by 3, you're left with 10. X is equal to 10.